Hello. Okay, so I'm just going to show you step by step how to sign up as an affiliate with LiveGood. Okay, so you will receive an email, a link from the person that you want to sign up under. Get the link, click on the link, then you will get to this page. To make sure it's the person that you want to sign up under, you will see their name there. Okay? Then the next step, you can watch the 5 minute video if you want to, or you can just go to your next step. Put your name, your surname, and your email address. Please use an email address that you know you use daily and make sure that the spelling is correct. Otherwise, you won't receive your first email from LiveGood. Okay. Then you go through to the next page. Okay, so now I have to verify this quickly. Okay. Then you go through to the next page, log in your position. You get to this page, but you will also receive an email from LiveGood, and the email will look like this. So if you do a pre-enroll and you don't have your funds at that moment, you will get this email. Please come back to this email the moment you have your funds ready so that you can go through this email. And you just click on join now, and then it will take you through to the page where you just insert your information. Okay. So then when you just go through the pre-enroll steps, like put in your surname, your name, and your email address, you will get to this page. When you click on this lock in your position, you will get to this page, and here you have to insert all your information: your cell phone number, a username. A username, I normally just tell my people, just insert your name, your surname, because this will be part of your affiliate link. So please make sure that you use a username that people can identify it comes from you. So I just normally tell my people, just put in your name and your surname with no spaces, or your name with a number, or your surname with a number, no spaces. Then your password. Then you say, now you select your membership. I just want to buy a monthly membership, okay? Or you want to be affiliate, just click on here. I want to be an affiliate. If you want to pay upfront for the year, you can choose this option. Okay. Now you go through to your shipping information. You select your country. So I'm from South Africa. So I select South Africa. I insert my name. I insert my address, your city, and then your state/province, and they ask 2 or 3 character state. So if you, for instance, you're from South Africa, Western Cape, you just put in WC, okay, because that is the 2 characters that we use to identify the state. And then your zip or postal code, okay. Yeah. If if you have a debit card, don't panic. You don't need a credit card. Okay? You leave it on credit card. Your debit card details will go through. Name on calls and your surname. Okay? Then the type of card, it's a Visa or a MasterCard or a Discovery. Normally, this will be on your card. You will see what card you have. Then the credit card number, it's the 16 digital numbers on your card. That's 16 numbers. You insert it without any spaces. Then the expiry date of your card. Okay, that's very important. The expiry date of your card. And then security code. This is for us in South Africa. It is the three numbers on the back of your bank card. That is the security code they ask for here. Then you will also see copy shipping address. Don't worry, you won't buy or get any products yet. This is only to insert so that it is on your records. So when you do decide to order some products, we already have your shipping address. So your shipping address here, it will be the same as your current address here. Okay. Then you will go through to continue, and if you do get any errors, it will come up. Okay. So don't worry, it will come out. Then you will get to a page where you have to select two blocks and you just say continue. Okay. And that's that. That is so easy. For us in South Africa, please, please, please do check on your banking app that your online purchasing it's on, your international purchasing it's on, and your limit for your online purchasing it is set to the amount of this $50 that is normally between 900 to 960 rand in South Africa. Okay. So yes, then you can just, when you insert all of this information, you just go to continue, and then you just, on the next page, I can go to the next page now because I didn't insert any information here. But when you do go to the next page, it will just ask you to confirm the details, and there will be two blocks to click, and you select the two blocks and you say place your order, and then you will get your referral link immediately with an email from LiveGood. And you will also get to your website immediately. Okay, so I hope this helped. If you do have any questions while signing up, just ask the person that you get the link from. They will assist you. And yeah, let's grow and let's just make this year a good year for all of us. Okay, make good choices.